Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to edit an existing WordPress website. In this tutorial we're going to cover a number of operations like adding a new category, adding a new simple or variant product, updating an existing product or removing an existing product, adding new paging, updating menu. So we're going to go through all these functionalities. So we are going to use this website, which is an e-commerce website selling some traditional dresses. And for this website, I'm going to add some category right now, which is actually, if you look at it, we got only a few categories here: boys, ladies, men, wedding dress. So you want to add some categories for accessories, for party, for girls. So this is categories by which you can sort these items, and you can also sort them by price as well. And we have this sorting feature. You can sort them by size or colors. So you're going to use this website to add a new category right now to this one, accessories. So for this, I'm going to my dashboard, which you need your login ID and password once you install and set up your WordPress. So that's my dashboard. These are all the options that we have to edit our pages, our menus, our items, our products, payments, and all these options. So I'm going to go to this option, which is products. If I click on all products, it shows me all products, adding a new product. But right now, I want to go to add a new category here. So I click on this. Right, so these are my existing categories here. Okay, and then I'm going to add a new category here. Let's say this one here. And if you want to make any parent category, but don't want to give it any parent category, any description you want to add. Right, I'm going to add an image as well, like the way I added to some other categories here. So I go to these are my media files, which I already uploaded. But for this category, I'm going to upload one from my desktop. So if I go to my desktop, new images, let's say I'm adding this image for my accessories. So the image is uploaded. I'm using this image. So I give it a name, a slug, which is a URL-friendly version of the name. As you can see, the description has written about slug. So this is important to give it a name, a slug, any parent category if you want to give it to, but it's just itself a parent category. So you scroll down. If you want to display type, just select standard for now. And I'm going to add new category here. So if you look at it now, a new category is added here, accessories, as you can see here. Right, so if I go to my home page now and refresh it, I don't see that. To appear that category is on the home page, after adding a category, you have to do a few other steps. Like I have accessories here, but it's not coming up on my home page. So for that, we have to edit our menu, because all these items which appears here, this is my side menu that I created when I was building this website. So I'm going to go to my menu. The menu is actually here if you scroll down in appearance, these are those widgets and other stuff. So you go to click on menu. Okay, now this is my sidebar, but I created a few menu here. Like this is the top menu. If you select it, you will see the options here. These are all the top menu here. Yeah, so this is, I haven't created a website development video, but this is mostly to do with editing an existing one. So this is my top menu, and these are the 3 footer menus, which you can see right down when you go to scroll down here. And So for the side one, which is actually this one, this is a menu here. So I have to select that menu. So I go to this sidebar category, this one, select it. Okay, so these are the ones. So that's all we see right now: boys, ladies, men, wearing dresses. Now I have to go down here and look for the one which I just added. So if I scroll down to my categories here, there is an accessories here, as you can see here. So I add that. I can also add some items which cannot be categorized in any of these. So that could be also one option, like uncategorized. Now I have these added, as you can see here, but I want to put them in order. It's good to put them in order. Things like accessories starts from A, so it should go to the top. We have boys, we have ladies, men, wedding, and uncategorized item. So now, if I want these to appear on my home page, I have to update my side cart menu, side category menu. So when I updated these two items here in this side menu, I just need to update, save my updates. And now when I go to my home page, as you can see here now, accessories and uncategorized items are also added. Because there may be some items which doesn't fall in any of these categories. You can put them in this option. So this is how to update and how to add a new category and how to update your menu. So now as we added category, now we're going to add a simple product. A simple product means it does not have any variant like colors and sizes or other description. It's just a simple product. So let's have a look at our dashboard now. So when you scroll down, you need to click on this option, products option. When you click on this, you will see all the products already. If you don't have any product, you will not see anything. So let's say you don't have any product. You just click on this add new product to add a new product. Right, this time I just give it a name, let's say test bangles product, bracelets, and product description. So in a product description, I'm going to just type something that's whatever the description of the product is. And slug is just short for the URL. If you want to give it, let's say bangles, just making things the URL more easily readable. And a product short description, it's just a short description coming up on the top of the product. Let's say one line product description, say glass bangles for and ladies, select a different age group, available in different sizes. So this is a short description, this is a full description, and we give it a name. Now what else I need to add? Let's go to the right side first. So if you go to this side, this is very important to give your product some tags, like the tags, the terms associated with this product. So just I created some. You can type each, like you can say girls, comma, women, fashion. Let's say I want to add another one, let's say party, and add. So all these are the product tags that will help with SEO, search engine optimization, where someone is searching a product on your website. Right, so that's this tags are added. Now this is the important one. Just a while ago we added this category, accessories, so you need to select that. So you need to associate a product with a category, so it comes in the category menu here on the top page here. If you think that some products are associated with more than one category, you can select more than one. For example, these bangles are belong to accessories, but they could be used in wedding or party as well. So let's say you choose the wedding option as well. Now when you scroll down here, this option is set a product image and product gallery. So click on this. Right, so I have these images. Let's say these are the product different images. I will select all of them to add them as to the product gallery. And then I have to select one product image, which is actually the main image of the product, which will appear on the home page. So because these are just the same, I will delete one of them, because there are 3 images will be appearing on the product page when I publish it on the home page. So before I publish it, just double check that you added the name, product description, a bit of short description. This could be optional in some cases. Make sure that you added product tags. You added that product to a category. So it's easy to search them on your website from the menu that I just showed you a while ago. You must add a product image and a gallery images. If a product has only one image, then you can just add this as a product image. Now, when you scroll down here, this is the most important part of this. Let's say this product has only one size and it doesn't have any other variants like sizes or colors. Then you can choose just simple product. Okay. When you choose simple product here, let's say you want to give it a different price here. Let's say the price of the product is $6.99, but let's say have a sale price $4.99. And if you want, you can even schedule that sale for a certain time only, like there's the Eid or weddings or maybe some seasonal occasion. So let's say you want this from today, probably for the next 2-3 weeks, let's say. So this sale will be for 3 weeks. And after this 16 June, the price will be automatically become $6.99 only, and the sale price will be removed automatically. So that thing is done. If you want to have any taxes or things, just leave it none. There are no taxes. And here you can have, just leave it as a standard for now. But if your products are wet, then you can choose this, and that will make it 20% plus price. But leave it now as it is. It's a simple product. The next option, quite important one, is the inventory. So inventory SKU is, you can give it a name like, let's say, your brand name, your product number, and any variants. So let's say that's our brand name, the product number is 123, and the size. You can give anything that can distinguish a product uniquely in your stock. So you can give it any name. Yeah. This one is also important one. Let's say I want to give it a quantity, how many quantity we have in the stock. So let's say we have 20 in stock. Okay. Now, if you scroll down, allow back orders, do not allow that. Right. Low stock threshold. So here you can set something. Let's say 3. That means when the stock reaches to 3, the system will email me reminding me that update your stock. We are low on stock. Right. So that's all. I think if you specify VAT, something, if you want to charge it accordingly. But this one is just a standard delivery stuff, so we're not going into that detail. So the important one in the simple product, the price, if you have any sale, you provide the sale start and end date. Okay. And inventory is very important, so you add how many items you have, SKUs, and then how many should be the lowest stock threshold. You can make it 2, 3, or 1, up to you. Right. So this product data is updated. Images are added. Right. Short description is added. Long description is added. Categories associated. Tags are added. So I think it's all ready to go now. So click on the Publish button, and that will publish this product on your website. So this is how to add a simple product to your website. So if you want to double check it, let's go back to our website and refresh the page. Right. All these products are alphabetically ordered, so that's why you don't see it right. But if you want, you can sort them in ascending, newest, lowest, latest. Yeah. When you sort them by the latest, so as you can see, this is the latest product added here. So if you click on this, right, this is that short description. This is that sale price, regular price. As you can see, it will be charged sale price. the 20 items in the stock, so this will only go up to 20. If 10 of them are sold, it will only go up to 10. If there's only one left, it will only go up to 1. Right? Then you can add to basket, and then you can continue with your. So these are the categories option. These are those tags, and that's the full description. And these are all those images that we added for this product. So when you hover your mouse on it, it zooms that image. So that's our gallery. So this is how to add a simple product. Now in this section, we are going to look at how to add a variant or variable product. What is a variable product? Like some products we can sell by size, small, medium, large, XL, XXL, or maybe we're selling it by colors, blue, green, white. So that's called a variable product, when a product has different variant. So let's have a look at this one now. So I'm back to my home page. So again, I'm going to click on add a new product, as you can see in the product section. So I just give it a name now, test. Let's say variable bangles or bracelets. So whatever the product name is, just put that there. And again, in the description, I just have a rough description for an ideal product. And slug is just something that is helping and making more readable URL. So just give it a short one-word name for the product. And a product short description could be, let's say, bangles for different occasions. Okay, so I did fill up that. Scroll down to, okay, I'm coming back to this in a minute. Just fill up this section now. The product tags, again, never forget this important one. So just type these. If you want to do it one by one, like you can do like this, say bangles, enter. And after that, you can say, let's say for girls, and let's say, sorry, after every name, says you can type a comma, then enter. And then after this, fashion, comma, enter. After this is a party, comma, enter. So that way, you can create your tags and write in a notepad or something, or Word document, and copy paste it. But make sure that all the words should have a comma after this. For example, if you look at this one, you see that after every word there is a comma and space. And when I click add, all of them will be automatically added. But as you can see, some of them are repeating. So the system is very intelligent. It will not write one word twice. Like girls, it will not write twice. It already exists, so it did not copy from my copy-paste words. So tags are done. Now I have to add a category here. Again, accessories, let's say party. Okay, and let's scroll down. I'll come back to this at the end, publish. Again, when it comes to images, let's say I'm just adding the same product again. And I got a product gallery here. So the gallery, I will add another 2 images. Add gallery images. So the product image, this will be the first page on the home page that you will see as a thumbnail. And these are other detailed images when someone click on your product. So this side is all done. The images are added, tags are added, categories are added. Detailed description, short description is added. A name is given to the product. Now, this is not a simple product like I added before. The other product that I added was, let's say, one size product. Or maybe let's say one color product, or just one type product. So we added simple. This time, I'm going to choose variable product. That means this product has different variations in terms of colors, sizes. They may have different prices as well. And maybe you have different quantity as well. Like for small, you have different. Yeah, for medium, you have different. Right. So now, when I did choose this variable product, I'm going straight to something called attributes. So what are the attributes of a variable product? like color, sizes, dimensions, weight. Yeah, what are the variations? So if you click on this, if you already have variant added, like I already added 2 variants like color, sizes, so they will appear here. But if it is your first time and you haven't added any variant, I'm going to show you how to add the variant first before you do this. You can add variants here as well, but let's do it proper way first. So if you look at, let's say, look on your right side, left side, sorry, you see here, there is something called attributes in the product section. So I'm going to right click and open in a new tab. So while holding this product, yeah, or maybe if you just want to save your detail, you can publish it, but it's a bit incomplete now, so just hold it for now. So I will go to my attributes section, which is here. I already have 2 attributes set here, color and sizes. Let's say I want to add another attribute here. Let's say occasion. Let's give it a name. Right. Okay, give it a name. Occasion, and let's say you give it a variant, a slug. Actually, this is what public see. This is what the part of URL will be. So that's just that bit different. Right. So add. Now there will be 3 attributes added: color, occasion, and sizes. Now inside the colors we have a lot of color like pink, brown, black, maroon, and multicolor, orange and red, a lot of them. And in the sizes we have, let's say, medium, one size, S, XL, and all these. But we don't have anything in occasion. So if I click on it, I need to add a set of variants here. The set of variants is, for example, these dresses are for different occasions. Like say this is different, let's say for a party. Just write the same word again in the lower cases, add. And this one should be, let's say I'm just trying to add some occasions here. Not to confuse with the, what is called, with the categories. So we have wedding, and let's say another occasion. Let's say there's a sports or something. There's some dresses for sports. So you want to add some sport attribute as well. So if you want to add these are like some of the variant that we added. It depends. It could be like color, it could be sizes, it could be volume, it could be weight. If you are selling something by weight, then instead of occasion, you just make it weight. So like 1 kg, 500 gram, 200 gram, 2 kg, 10 kg, 5 kg. Because you want to charge the customer according to the weight, then it could be, instead of occasion, you can have weight, and then you can add it here. Let's say, instead of party, wedding, and these, you can add, let's say, 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg. So these are just some examples of the variant attributes. And inside the attributes, we have these variants. So I need these, just to show you how to add a attribute, set up a variant here in this attribute section. So I'm going to close this and going back to my product now. So that was general, inventory. I don't need to look at this now. So I go back to my, the variants will not come here, the variation, until you add it. So you go to attributes here, and if you look at it now, look, before we had color and size only, now we have occasion. So if I select this, all these occasions will come here. But to be honest, I'm not interested in these occasions at this stage, just to show you how to add attributes. I'm going to remove it. What I'm interested now is, because these bracelets or bangles, they're mostly sold in sizes. So I will select size. Now I can just select this one, and it will select all the sizes that I have available in this variant. But let's say I don't have, they're not in one size, they're in variant size. I remove one size. Let's say the item that I have in stock now is small, medium, and large only. So I don't have XL, I don't have XXL, so I remove this. So I choose some of the variants that are available right now in my stock. In the future, when I have available, I will choose Excel. I will choose whatever I have. I can remove it. So at the moment, I have only these three sizes: small, medium, and large. So I'm going to save the attributes now. And when I save it, then I will go to variations. And inside variation now, I can just click this. So the system will generate variation, or I can add manually. So just click on generate variations. This is a very important one. Right. So let's say L. I can give it an SKU specific to the L. Like for example, SN hyphen, let's say the number here is 1345 and the size is, let's say, L. Yeah. So the first one is like the brand of the product, the number of the product, and any variation. I'm going to copy this, and I will click on this one as well. It just helps you to identify which product is sold when it is sold. Like L means large, M means medium, yeah, and S means small. So it will help you identifying which product is sold, and it makes things easy to manage. So I add SKUs to all my products. Right, the other thing that I want to add here is, right, let's say the price. So let's say the large one, again, let's say £7, and we are selling it, let's say, for £6. Right, manage stock. So how many we have large in the stock? Let's say we have 35. Allow back or no. Low stock threshold, let's say 2. When they're 2, the system will let us know that we are low in. If you want to add a weight, sometimes good for if you are charging customers according to weight. So provide the weight dimensions. Okay, come down here. Let's say this one also regular price is 7, and let's say the sale price is 5. If you want to schedule it for how long this sale should be, you can just add here. Let's say this sale on this item will be only for 2 weeks. So just select the dates. Right, so we added the stock. No, we haven't. So let's edit the stock for this. Let's say we got 30. Scroll down now to small now. For small managed stock, let's say this one we have is, let's say, 42. And this one is also 2. So when they reach to 2, the system will let us know. So we have total in stock 42. When the 40 are sold, the system will let us know. Right, the price for this one, again, this one is 7, but let's say for small is 4.5, the sale price. Again, you can set the duration of the sale. Let's say for this one is again same 2 weeks. So you select your date, and if you scroll down, any description you want to add here. Right, so if we go up now, we have 3 variants of this product. One is large. So for large, we provided the sale price and the regular price and the quantity and the low threshold. Yeah. Similarly, we provided for the medium as well, how many we have in the stock, for how long this should run. We should add schedule for this as well. This should be same for 2 weeks. Yeah. So for all these 3 variants, we have different SKU, slightly different prices, different stock, but they are the same pictures, the same products. It's just they are in different sizes. So we have small, medium, large, all 3. Now I'm going to click save. So the stock is updated, the price is updated, all items are added here. So this is a variable product, a product which has different variants like colors, sizes. Right now the importance for us is the size. So according to the size, we give different quantity and different prices. So if I go up again, before you publish, make sure you double check that it has a nice relevant name. It has a description. It has tags. It has categories assigned to this. You can ignore this for now. You have a short description. You have images. You have gallery. You have variant if it is a variable product. It looks like all done, so let's publish. Okay, looks like that is published. So you can go here from this link, right click, and we can open our product. That's one option. The second option is you just click on home page. Let's close the other tab. So we go to the home page. By default, it shows me all these in ascending order, but you can choose to show them by popularity, rating, latest, low, high, so you go by latest. So if we click on this now, as you can see here, I can choose large, and I can see it is £6, regular price 7, and there are 34 in stock. And if I choose medium, it shows me that's the price, 30 in stock. And if I choose small, there are 42 in stock and 450 is the price. So if you add, let's say, 2 of them, add to basket. These are also updated on the basket, as you can see. Yeah, and as you can see, we have these added. Right. If I want to add basket 3, 4, update, the price automatically updated, as you can see. Yeah, and if I want to reduce it, update, it will update the basket. And if you have any coupon, which I created previously, you can edit the coupon here and apply, and it will reduce the price. Okay, let's go to see our screen, what else we got to do. So we added new category, simple product, variable product. Okay, updating an existing product, removing an existing product. How to update the menu, which I already show. Let's go to this one. This is an important one. Updating an existing product or removing an existing product. So if you go back to our dashboard, let's we go back to all products. So this product, we can edit it by clicking edit here. It's a quick edit, so you can do this one as well. So you can change prices, you can change images, you can change description, you can change categories as well. Let's say you want to add it to another category. Anything you want to add, change. That's one option. Let's go back to all products. The other option is quick edit. So you don't go to the main page, you quickly want to edit something here. Yeah. This changed, okay. If you want to make it out of stock quickly for some reason. Okay, let's go through the other one. Another option here is, if you have a similar item that you are adding, which has similar kind of variants, you can just click on duplicate. Yeah. And you can go there and change all the stuff. For example, let's say test bracelet. You want to add bracelets. So you can change all this to the new description for bracelets. Let's say new description for bracelets. Whatever you want to add here. Again, instead of bangle, you want to make it bracelets, as you can see here. Anything you want to add here. It's not part, it's party. Okay. Right, what else? Let's say we added this category now. Anything else you want to change? This is an easy way to add a product. If you have similar product already added, you can just need to change the pictures. For example, remove this, and click on this and add some new pictures. I don't have any pictures for bracelet, but let's say whatever you added here. Okay, and again, when you scroll down to, let's say, attributes, if they have the same variant, you just need to add or remove a variant from this existing list. If you go to variation now, you can just go there and let's say you update, you change the prices. For example, they are a bit expensive, so let's say their regular price is £12 and these are, let's say, £10. And their stocks is, let's say, we got only 30 or maybe let's say 20. And that one you want to make it lowest threshold to 1. And let's say in the medium sizes we have, they are, let's say, also sold on 20, but right now they are, 12 and sale price. And let's say we have those in stock only 10. Similarly, if I short, you scroll down and let's say that price is also 12, but actually they are on sale for £8. And let's say their quantity is just 10 only. and the lowest threshold 1. So this way, it's very easy to publish a new product. Copy paste. You see that? And now when I click publish, a new product of bracelets will be published because they are similar products. So you just go there to the home page. Okay, sort in latest order. You see? So we got this one is published now. So bracelets, you need to change the images according to your product. So this one was the original product, and this is the copy paste. So we change the title, we change the description, we change the quantity. As you can see, we change the price as well. So that way, you don't have to do a lot of hard work. Just copy paste, copy paste. And similarly, you need to make sure that the correct price, the correct sizes, and the correct descriptions are added, and the correct images are added. So copy paste, this duplicate can help you. If you go to this duplicate option, see that duplicate? It can help you quickly create new products. And another thing is, let's say if you want to add, if you want to change some prices, update an existing product, just click on that and scroll down, and let's say go to variant. Let's say you found that we are out of stock of this, then you just click on remove and remove the small. Or maybe let's say they are not 4.5, they should be, let's say 3.5. Yeah, 50% off. So you update the price, and let's say you go to the medium, and you think, no, they should be £6 because they're expensive for some reason. And this one, let's say you want to make it £5. Or maybe this stock is now not 34, they're actually 22, so you change the stock. Anything you want to change, with the price, with the quantity, you just change, and then click on this button called update. And when you do this, the product quantity and the price and any description you change will be automatically updated. If you go to home page, and you can click on accessories as well to quickly go to this list. Right. So test variable, bangles. Okay, let's choose small. You see, they're now half price. So medium, same. As you can see, we changed, and that low we made it £5 from 6. We reduced from 32 to 22 stock. It's all updated. So we added new categories. They work. We have some items here in every category which also works. So we have dresses and bangles in this category. So in the wedding category, we have these dresses. We can filter it by price as well. Like if so this is, we got from 0 to £37, we have this product only. But if you go to 500, then you can see all the products. Or we can filter it by the most expensive products here. So categories work, filter work, size, color, all these works. So we added categories, and we added some simple and variable products. We also learned how to update an existing product. Now these two products were test products, so I just want to delete them. So I select them. You go to select this option, move to bin, apply. Now, if you go back to the home page of your website, and if you look at it, these products are removed. We don't have anything in the accessories now. So this is just to show you how to add variable and simple products, how to add categories, and how to remove products. Okay, I hope you found it useful, and thank you for watching.